so much. Pero ayan, malinis din yung CR nila and meron ding shower heater. And guys, they also provide beach towels. And they also have pools. Take note, pools. They have 2 pools. And when you book here guys, kasama na rin yung breakfast. You can check them out guys at booking.com. Doon lang kami nag-book and we only spent like 3,900 per head and that is already